Hello children, I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Today I am starting new lesson 4, we and our environment. So anyhow you all are know about we. We stand for we people. And our environment is what? Meaning of environment. First we should know the meaning of environment. Then I believe some of the children will do mistake at the time of pronunciation this word. So today I am going to give you a clip. Listen that clip so that you can understand and you can pronounce the word correctly of environment. First, let me explain you the meaning of environment. The surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant live or operates. So this is a meaning of environment.
Environment. Environment. Environment.
So I believe with this you can understand the meaning of environment as well as the pronunciation of environment too. So let me explain you the listen. The surroundings in which we live and are known as the environment. It includes all living and non-living things around us. So the surroundings in which we live, that is called as environment. It includes all living things as well as non-living things around us. All living things and non-living things interact with each other. Here what's showing? All living as well as non-living things interact with each other. The environment consists of the following two components. How it consists of the environment consists of the following two components. What is there? What are there? Biotic components, abiotic components. So first you should know the meaning of biotic, then abiotic. A very good example of explaining biotic and abiotic. Biotic is nothing but children living factors. Living factors comes under biotic categories like animals, plants, people, bacteria. Here you can see animals, insects, people, group of people, plants. So these comes under biotic. Biotic, meaning of biotic is what? Living factors. Now about abiotic, non-living factors. Non-living factors like water, air, rocket, dirt, sunlight. So these are the examples of abiotic components. So in biotic, animals, plants, people, bacteria, living factors. These all are living factors, children. Animals are living things, plants are living things, people are living, comes under living things, bacteria living things. Abiotic, water, is it a living thing? It's non-living thing. Air, non-living thing. Rocket, it's a thing. Dirt, it's a thing. Sunlight, it's a non-living factors, children. These all comes under non-living factors. Abiotic comes under non-living factors and biotic comes under living factors. So with this, we got to understand about environment. Environment is nothing but what? Surroundings. Surroundings include what? People, animals, plants and non-living things comes under environment. In that, we understood this biotic as well as non-biotic. Abiotic. Here I underline some of the vocabulary. Go through with that. Read, write one time in your CW. Learn and by heart, children. I have given very less vocabulary to you because I believe in quality education. Quantity anyone can give, but quality education matters a lot, children. So only few vocabularies are here. Learn by heart and read this passage to improve your reading. The surroundings in which we live are known as environment. It includes all living and non-living things around us. In this way you should read. All living and non-living things interact with each other. Read in this way, children. Ask your parents to come and collect the worksheet from the school.